shibenta banyale ban plilat bat ban ai karansa niki Kynhun Tem ke Jylla ban pen I la kasap kapong kasor ka Jylla hakasngi balang jong katayo kala Sdang ya ke Meghalaya Grassroot Music Project Season 2 bat ya kani la play hakajingalang kebelalong hakandailat.
Ya ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2 la play do menteri rang ba ke Jylla ukon rat kongkal sangma kum kongsan ban menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai ke Jylla ba poleng do kum usumbut kongsan ha ka baledan lang ru ke menteri ketenat kakot ke kia I Dr. Amprin lingdo ki MLA UMDC uba bajob pengrup ki head of sarkar bat kiwe-kiwe ha bakran ke jengilang play perda ukon rat kongkal sangma ulong ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kedai kebedan kerhai kesap bat ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2 kedai kelenti dan peninam ya kelariti bat bansan dore kasap junginong tem ginong ruai ke Jylla. Ulai ku blay bagajing penlong ya ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 1 kebelalong kebala job. Bagi Jylla Meghalaya kedai ke Jylla ke benengkong akari ke ban kershan ginong ruai bet ginong tem lengba ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. Ya kini ke music project la penlong da ka tenat jengok kai pertai bat ka Meghalaya Age. Bat kini ke sengi Sdang lasaki ke jing shit ki pat ba ki bayet ki ruai ke siau bat ketem kapun ha ka bakle shat ke men ki jing ruai jong ka Kynhun sur kinong kendong colors bat na ubnai
to be part of this program, and it really is something which is special to us. And at the very outset I would like to congratulate the tourism department led by our honorable tourism minister Paul Lingdo and our Commissioner Secretary and all the other officials for having successfully launched and conducted the first season, and here we are today into the second season. I'm happy to inform all of you that through the Meghalaya Grassroot Music Project, in the last season, 1,600 artists had performed in 3,000 different occasions. That means 1,600 of our budding musicians who did not have a platform before to showcase their talent and were not able to use their talent in a productive manner got an opportunity in the last 12 months to showcase their talent, financially benefit from it, and were able to boost tourism as a whole in the state of Meghalaya. Today, all the different ways in which government earns revenue by promoting tourism, we are able to share some part of that revenue by giving the funds and money to our artists to perform in different locations. And this is how the economy grows, and this is how tourism benefits our local people. Today we can say that through the music scene, we have been able to create different kind of employment opportunities at such a large scale for our youth by utilizing the talent that they have.
Kidat kisin bansa mau